Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Jeanette. This is day 4 of 7 of what I eat in a day. I'm documenting for 7 straight days everything I'm eating as I get back on track with my whole food plant-based diet. And it's breakfast time, and you guessed it, big surprise, it's my oatmeal with flax seeds, cinnamon, and frozen blueberries. I just never get sick of it. I have it most mornings. I just love frozen wild blueberries. I don't know, there's something about them. So this is what I enjoy, but this weekend I might change it up a little bit and make maybe some pancakes or waffles or something, because at the farmer's market yesterday I got this beautiful bottle of vanilla infused locally made maple syrup, so I can't wait to try it. And then with my breakfast this morning, I'm having steamed broccoli, sauteed mushrooms that are left over from yesterday, just a little garlic salt on there. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys back for snack or lunch. For lunch, I threw together this cold bowl in a matter of minutes. So half the bowl is coleslaw. I took some bagged coleslaw mix and added some chopped bell peppers. And for the dressing, I took a little of my cashew ranch and mixed it with the Hellmann's vegan dressing and spread. And this stuff does have a little bit of oil in it, as you can imagine, actually quite a bit of oil, because it's a mayonnaise type product that's made commercially. I use this stuff very sparingly to help accent dressings and maybe make potato salad. You know, you've seen it in my Polish potato salad before. But I like the taste and the texture of it, but again, it's something I use sparingly. So I mixed those together with a little mustard, maple syrup, and celery seeds, and that made a really good coleslaw dressing. And then I have some oil-free hummus there, and yesterday I boiled some yellow potatoes, so I'm having that with just a pinch of salt and pepper. What I failed to mention is I started this What I Eat in a Day series on a Tuesday, so here we are at Friday night, and Friday nights is usually our takeout night. So tonight we got Red Robin, and I got their Ancient Grains burger, which is falling apart as you can see. It's got the relish on it with pickles, onions, tomato. I added avocado to it, and then I got their side salad with no cheese and added my cashew ranch. Time for the evening snack, so I opted again for fresh fruit. I've really been enjoying fresh fruit in the evening, and I have honestly been losing my desire to have any kind of baked goods or treats for dessert. So fresh fruit it is. It is chopped fresh strawberries and peaches. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys back tomorrow for day number 5.